about this part of it, because this is a milestone which normally every company or brand would like to have, and you had it successfully. So please share the experience.
One momentous journey. I'm overwhelmed with pride and joy to state on 6th September, we were lucky we managed to, in fact, publicly list our company from our very first store in 2013 to our 200th store this year. We have not only kept up, but redefined fashion at an affordable price. We support the Indian growth story. Our company has led the way in unlocking the retail potential of aspirational Bharat. And I would just like to thank every stakeholder in our company for their unwavering support throughout this time. You know, like my colleague just mentioned about COVID, every company had a very difficult time, but we managed to hold on and make sure there is a right movement or a roadmap ahead. And yes, now 200 store is something we all are celebrating, and we look forward to further expansion in coming years.
Excellent, 200 stores, big end to road. Good. Let's go to Shitanshu. Shitanshu, can you talk about the importance of ability and what are the radical changes that are happening in your segment? I want the answer from 2-3 perspectives. If you can give any one of them. One is either the marketing side of it, or an example from a technology side of it, because you did mention about the tech stack, you did mention about the consumer behavior. So what kind of strategies or actions that Turtle has taken, which has helped you? Any such examples or any such insights that you would like to share with us?
So I think traditionally men's fashion, we follow 2 seasons, and the planning starts a year ago. And I think this itself is now getting more and more challenging because trend shift and market shifts. Winter sometimes comes in early, sometimes decides to come late. So what do you do? So I think we are working a lot on the supply chain side to make it much more agile. Traditionally in our industry, the lead time, we take about 135, 140 days from fabric to production. But we are trying to now bring this down to at least about 90 days so that we can go closer to market in terms of committing merchandise, orders, etc. So that is one side. On the technology side, I mean, technology today, the sky is the limit. Everything is possible. There are so many good technology partners available. So as a brand, I think one has to have the imagination on what would excite or be relevant for your consumer. So I actually shop a lot with my kids, and also those experiences actually teach me. So I'd recently gone to a big box store, I think it was H&M in Calcutta, and we did some shopping, and then there was a 30-minute queue in the cash point, and neither my son or me had to have the patience to wait for 30 minutes, and I was deciding to just walk out without shopping. But my son just took out the app, and there's some scanning barcode feature in the H&M app, so he actually added all those products to the cart, and we checked out my credit card and we went home, and the product I think came the next day home. But it saved me that 30 minutes, and I actually got the retailer the sale, right? And this was something very difficult to imagine, a few years ago. Now, if whether Turtle should have this, I mean, it really depends on your size of store and the traffic you pull in. So as I said, technology is not really the challenge, and developing that. Seamless for them to, they know their size, so just go and reorder, almost like a subscription business, right? So I think the consumers teach you, and as a brand, if you can partner and get the technology, they are ready to adopt. And as I think.
Thanks, Shitanshu. Coming to Ifat, you are based predominantly, your operations are in.
ওই ওই মেয়েটা কোথায় গেল?
जो टैप करते हैं
8 mm से स्टार्ट होकर पूरा
ना